Welcome to ODUA TV Watch. Nigeria police just confirmed say they don't arrest another 6 bandits for Samfara with many sack of ammunition. This one that we talked yesterday, where Buhari said they released 613 Boko Haram. Say Nigeria don't forgive them, but they arrest another bandit now again with sack of bullets and ammunition. Now we know say election dey come for Nigeria, and I believe say go dey boot are gone because where all these bandits, all these Boko Haram, where they carry all this ammunition, they come. At the end of the day, they carry and they come south. Where they continue they kidnap people, they rape women, they do all sorts of things.
Live ammunition mixed inside the groundnut. So the police got information, intelligence information, and rushed to location where the criminals were coming. But unfortunately, maybe they sense danger and then threw the sack and ran away.
The police also repelled attacks on 2 local government areas, Maru and Gusau. Rifles, live ammunition, magazines, assorted charms, cutlasses, among other weapons were recovered.
While on confidence building patrol along Gusau Magamet and Sado Road, received a distress call about bandits' plan to block the road and attack commuters and by extension some villages. The police operatives mobilized to the locations and engaged the bandit to a serious gun battle. Luckily enough, one of the bandits was neutralized and others were repelled by the superior firepower of the police operatives.